Welcome to the series New to EComposer. Today's video will guide you how to upgrade or downgrade subscription plan of EComposer. Now, go to the Shopify dashboard, select App, and open EComposer Page Builder. In the options bar on the left, click Subscriptions Plans. EComposer has a total of 4 plans: Free, Standard, Pro, and Premium. Each plan can be subscribed monthly or annually. In particular, if you sign up for these packages annually, you will save an amount equivalent to 2 months using the package you choose. Before deciding to upgrade or downgrade your plan, we recommend you check out the full comparison of all plans here. And scroll down to see the FAQs to choose the plan that is best for you. Where you see Modify Current Plan button, it means this is your current plan of EComposer. Whether you want to downgrade or upgrade, just choose the plan that's right for you. Now, I will guide you how to upgrade EComposer subscription plan. I am using standard monthly plans, and I want to upgrade to the Pro monthly plans to enjoy more benefits. I'll click on the Choose Pro. A pop-up appears for you to customize your choices. First is the billing cycle. You can choose to buy this plan annually or monthly. Remember that subscribe to the annual plan will save you 2 months using EComposer. You can purchase additional add-ons including unlimited blog post for $39 for 1 month, and buy more pages as you go. You are allowed to purchase up to 100 templates, and the amount you need to pay will be displayed right here. When you've finished making your selections, check back for billing details here. Note that, if you are currently subscribed to a paid plan and want to switch to another plan, the unused balance will be deducted from the new subscription's next bill. After completing your subscription options, click Checkout to pay. Next, you will be directed to Shopify billing confirmation page. Note that all app payments are under Shopify control. That being said, merchants are allowed to pay in 2 ways. The first is to use credit or debit card. Second is payment via PayPal. Finally, you just need to click Approve. Next, we will learn how to downgrade the EComposer subscription plan. Currently, I am using EComposer's standard plan and I want to downgrade to the free plan. My task is just to click on the free plan button here. As you can see, a pop-up appeared and asked me to unpublish the layouts. The reason is that EComposer's free plan only allows publishing a maximum of 1 layouts, so when downgrading any plan to a free plan, you will need to unpublish the previously created layouts, leaving only a maximum of 1 layouts. The same thing will happen if you downgrade from Pro or Premium plan to Standard plan. You also need to unpublish the layouts, leaving only the maximum number of layouts allowed by Standard plan. After unpublished layouts, click Yes, Downgrade Now. So, I have successfully downgraded my EComposer subscription plan. Alright, I have completed the video tutorial on upgrade or downgrade EComposer plan. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or join the EComposer community to get quick support and the latest updates. I'm putting the details in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channels to receive the newest e-commerce page building tips and tricks. See you next time!